Hello everyone. Today we are going to add the blueberry fertilizer to the blueberry plants. This is a blueberry fertilizer that I ordered from Amazon. It does not have any instructions, but it just says blueberry plant food. So as you all know, this is more or less a trial-based experiment to see how these plants survive and do well in hot climates like where I live, which is Hyderabad. So it is relatively cooler now, but we will start putting the fertilizer and see how the plants progress. So it is in powdered form. I will add little less than half of a spoon to get started with, and we'll see how the plants pick up from here. So this much quantity should be enough is what I think for the plants. So just little by little, wherever I see there is a requirement, we'll add this in all the blueberry plants. So this is in powdered form, which is why I'm not diluting it in water. We can directly add it to the soil and then water it on top of it. Or the other way is add this in water, mix it and pour it into the soil. Either way will work because it is not granules or pieces that needs to be dissolved. So as soon as we add water on top of it, it will dissolve and the roots will take it. The plants are doing quite well. The health wise, it is still fine. The weather is cooled down over here and we don't see any stress on the plants as of now, which is why I think this is the right time to add any type of fertilizer to the plants. Blueberries would not require the higher NPK fertilizers because they like acid loving soil. So it is required that we don't add NPK directly to the plants or the roots. It is ideal to add a fertilizer which is more suited for the plants, which is why I'm adding this particular fertilizer. This is readily available, so anyone can purchase it and we can then see how the plants progress. So it has now been added in all the plants, and these are all different varieties. Total four varieties are there, which is all suited for warm climates or hot climate conditions. The growth is good. Uh, it is putting out new growth, new shoots here and there, and overall the plants look healthy. A few brown tip of the leaves are expected here and there due to the water pH being high, due to the sunburn in the afternoon. That is normal, but otherwise we do see healthy growth. Here we see there are good new shoots, long shoots growing. So it is fine when it comes to the soil and also the climatic conditions. Plants are doing well in the hot climate also. Here we see new shoots growing. This is the emerald variety and it is doing quite well. Most of these plants are all for low chill or hot climate. In fact, all the plants are for hot climate places. So we'll go ahead and water it once we have added the fertilizer. We can see that fertilizer is added in all the plants. The varieties which I have, which is suited for low chill or warm places, is Biloxi, Misty, emerald, and sharp blue. The biloxi, misty, these are all low chill, hot climate plants. Even in summers of Hyderabad, it will take in and it will grow, provided there is a little shade here and there. It doesn't need the hot sun, afternoon sun. If we can protect it from afternoon sun, it should grow fine. Right now it is November, so the climate is nice and cool, and the plants are putting out new shoots, also new growth. The temperatures are towards the night about 20-21 degrees Celsius, and towards the morning or afternoon maximum of about 32 degrees. So climate wise, there is no stress on the plants at least yet. We'll see how they do in summer, but for now they are doing well. So once we add the water, the fertilizer dissolves, and as I explained, this is powder based fertilizer. So we can just directly add it to the soil and add water on top. Thank you. See you in the next video.